Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that recently got a major upgrade, the Air France La Première Lounge. They've finally introduced something that many travelers have been wanting and waiting for a really long time, the private suites. Here's the catch though, even if you're flying in the La Première cabin, access isn't complimentary. It comes with a hefty price tag of 800 euros for just a short 3 hours of time. I flew La Première from Sao Paulo to Frankfurt with a 7-hour layover in Paris. With some time to spare, I decided to check out the private suites. You can book the private suites in advance, over phone or email, but I chose to take a look at it first before booking.
So you have a small minibar over here. You have some water, still sparkling, Coca-Cola, Coca Zero. You have some juice. You have some olives and some cacahuètes over there. Then you have the Machina Cafe, the Salium. It's done. You have the tea for the tea. This is the basket of tea, whatever you want. And for compliment, you have the chocolate of Alain Ducasse. If you want to work, you have some bureau over there. The code of Wi-Fi and everything about the suite is in it. You can take a look at it. Then you have the cafe is over here, sugar is over here, cups and everything over here. You know the terrace. I have put some fruits and some cookies, house-made cookies and biscuits of Alain Ducasse, especially for you. And then you have the terrace. If you want to go stay outside, or have a champagne or some coffee or tea over there, you can have.
The lounge offers 3 suites in total, 2 of which can be interconnected. Each suite spans around 500 feet and includes a spacious living room, a bedroom with a double bed, a fully equipped bathroom, and even an outdoor patio. The decor and furnishings are simply exquisite, capturing the sense of French luxury. From the elegant design to the meticulous attention to detail, there's no doubt every element radiates sophistication and charm. Now let's talk about the 800 euro price tag. Who exactly is this for? Well, Air France seems to be targeting the ultra-elite travelers like celebrities and CEOs. For these passengers, cost usually really isn't a factor. They're paying for privacy and exclusivity. My guess is Air France chose this price point to keep this very exclusive. Again, exclusivity is the appeal here, not accessibility. Let's not forget, the La Première Lounge itself is quite an exclusive lounge with strict admission criteria. One of the key highlights of this lounge is the menu curated by Alain Ducasse and his team. For those wondering, Ducasse is also only one of 2 chefs to hold 21 Michelin stars throughout his career. The private suites share the same curated menu, it's just that you get to enjoy the meal in a very private setting. That being said, the only extra thing you get from the private suites is of course the privacy. Now, is it really worth spending 800 euros for just 3 hours? For most people, probably not. You could book a 5-star hotel for less than that and for a whole day. But for those looking to maximize their relaxation time or those who need absolute privacy before a flight, this could be exactly what they're after. Overall, I think it's a bold move from Air France, adding a bit of private jet luxury to their already top-class La Première Lounge. Whether it's worth the extra cost depends on your priorities. What do you think? Would you drop 800 euros for 3 hours in this suite? Leave your comment below, and if you liked this video, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching.